Let's get inside our factory. You're probably familiar with the typical OPC client and server connection. If so, then you know how difficult it is to connect your industrial data to the cloud. A good edge solution protects your control network, connects any number of devices, delivers your data to any cloud service, provides store and forward if the connection fails, and is easy to install. Now, let's take a look at how traditional IoT gateways work. In order to transmit the data to your cloud service, these gateways require a level of access that is not available in most plant networks. The problem is that you have to connect your plant to the internet. This exposes your plant to the outside world. Some vendors might suggest moving the IoT gateway into a DMZ, but that is not secure either. The gateway still needs to reach into the plant, exposing the process network. DataHub is different. Instead of connecting your plant network to the internet or exposing it to the DMZ, DataHub allows you to securely send data to your DMZ. Once the data is mirrored to the DMZ, it is pushed to the cloud. When you only make outbound connections, you keep the incoming firewall ports closed, isolating the control network from the internet. Should the connection between the DMZ and the cloud fail, the DataHub will store the process data until the connection is reestablished. Keep your plant isolated from the outside world. Connect any number of devices. Stream your data reliably. This is DataHub IoT Gateway.